hi. Hi, what are you doing? Are you going to have your bottle? Want to show everybody how you can feed yourself? Well, let's get that in there. And here, what? Yay! Nice trim it to here. You can put the bottle back in your mouth. And put the bottle back in your mouth. You want to go. Is that your milk? Is that your milk? Yeah? Do you want Mama to help you put it in your mouth? Ready? Oh. You want to put that in your mouth? Sorry. You know, that's how your cousin Caitlin used to hold her bottle like that. And here Gabby's pitter patters. See, now that's what you're recording. When you shake, the camera shakes. Do you want to narrate? Do you know what narrate means?
No.
That means say what's going on. You tell the camera.
Dan's drinking his bottle by himself. Look at his whole body.
Look at his feet go.
Ow, ow.
No, honey. Just look how shaky that is. Be careful. Honey, be careful. You can't watch that on the movie screen.
Why?
Because it makes you sick.
Huh? Because it makes me sick? Because it makes me sick?
Yeah, when you move it too fast like that. Honey, stop. Mom's going to take it away, baby.
Okay, I'm done.
Then press the red button again. Stan, did you finish your bottle? Where did it all go? Where did the bottle all go? Finish that. The last tiny, tiny bit of it. Yay. All done. It's Stan all done. Yay.
I want to see that one.
You want the camera now? What are you going to do with the camera?
Oh, give it to him. Give me.
Be careful, be careful.
Cutie.
There you go. Now sit backwards so the camera can see how he's grabbing his feet. Now put the camera at his feet.
Hi, Stan.
Be careful, honey.
Hi, Stan.
Okay, buddy. Can I see you grab your feet? Yeah, you want to grab your feet? There's your pants. Let's see you grab your foot. You grab your foot? Whee! And you give big smiles? You give big smiles? Yeah, are you laughing? I want the camera. Your sister wants to watch a movie. Should we let her watch the movie?
Please.
What do you think?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.